Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back. It's been, I think, 7 weeks, at least a month. Okay, last trade is 31st, and today is 22nd of December. So it's been, oh no, it has been over a month. 7 weeks, 7 weeks, yeah. It's been 7 weeks since I posted a video and took a trade. I was in the military, that's why, and I didn't have any time at all for trading or anything else then. Like when I came home, I was like chilling with my family and shit, so I wasn't really focused on trading. I tried to do some backtesting, which I actually did. I did some backtesting when I was at home, but not much. And now I got some free time, and I think hopefully from now on I will always have some free time to trade. So during the trading hours, I will be able to trade, and yeah, that's perfect for me until the time the military ends. I think it takes like another 4 months from now on, or 3 or 4 months, something like that. So yeah, hopefully I can start trading again. And today, another trade recap. We're gonna talk about the trade I took. This was a trade I took a loss, but it was a good loss because I followed my strategy first of all, and second of all, my bias was right, and the trading idea was right too. The only problem was, I'm gonna show you guys. Is this the right trade? Yeah, it is the right trade. The only problem was, and that's why I lost the trade. The charts on my prop firm account, so MatchTrader is what I use for my prop firm. The charts on this platform right here is different from the trading view charts, and it isn't even because I don't use the CME charts, because like you gotta pay for them. On the CME charts, they also look different than on the charts of the broker. So it's pretty weird. It's a pretty weird situation where I don't really know what I should do. I'm gonna show you guys the charts on TradingView so you guys can see what I mean by it. So we got, that's my 1 minute time frame. The trade was pretty basic. I had a bullish bias. Why? Because we had such a upwards trend, right? We went down here a bit, but changed character to the upside, and then just started making higher highs and higher lows on the higher time frames. And I was like, all right, what is possible that we get? Either we get a little retrace to the downside, and then I can take a long, or straight up we go up from here after market open, and I can find some kind of entry with an SMT, or like SMT is like the basic, the base of my strategy. So I always need SMT. So that's what I was looking for, and that's what I got. So as you can see right here, and this right here, you can see Nasdaq making this low and this low, so high lows, while S&P 500 made a lower low, right? That's perfect. I was like, I got my SMT. What else do I need? We had this higher time frame fair value gap, 30-minute fair value gap right here. What is it? Okay, yeah. 30-minute fair value gap right here. And then we got this 1 minute fair value gap, and also we hit equilibrium with this move down again, right? So it was perfect conditions, as you can see, equilibrium right here, 0.5. From this low to up to these highs, equilibrium was hit. We filled the fair value gap on the 1 minute. So at this point, we had 4 confluences, 5, or like 4 to 5 confluences. Why? We had the fair value gap, which got filled, the 30-minute fair value gap. We had the low time frame SMT, which was playing out right here. We got the retrace to equilibrium, so that's 3. The fourth one is the 1 minute fair value gap, which got filled. And then also I had a bullish bias, right? I was like trying to go for these London highs up here. So what basically happened is we got this scenario, and I was like, okay, I still gotta wait for some kind of other confluence. And what was I waiting for? I wanted a change of character to the upside. And when did we get this? We got this right here with this candle. Why the fuck? Wait. Now I'm confused. Where's the time? Oh, 13:48. 13:48. Oh, okay. It was the candle. Yeah, perfect. Bro, what the fuck? Okay. 13:48 was the time. So I entered off of this candle right here. So this candle closed, right? We got the change of character to the upside. I can mark it out. Bang. Like this. Change of character to the upside. Like this. So now we have 5 confluences, and that's when I entered. I wanted. Oh yeah. What I forgot. We had this 2 minute fair value gap, which also got which I thought got disrespected, but it actually didn't, because we was really close to closing above it, but we didn't. And what I also should have kept in mind is that we have the same like fair value gap scenario, yeah, on this one. So if we go to the 3 minute chart, we also have this fair value gap right here, right? This 3 minute fair value gap. And if we scale down again, we can see that market, with this move right here, with this close, didn't disrespect the fair value gap yet, right? So what I want to see is that the fair value gap gets disrespected, so we just push past it, and it turns into an inverse fair value gap. I thought this move happened with this one, but it didn't. Now, what also happened, so I entered right here on this candle. Now the problem is, on the charts right here, we created another low, which was this one right here. We moved, I don't know why it moved so much down here, bruh. Look at this, we got this low, higher low, right? 3 higher lows, like the base low and then 2 higher lows. On this one, we have these equal, it ain't equal, but what would you say, fairly equal lows? No. Pretty equal lows? No. There is a specific word for it, I don't know. But we got these nearly equal lows right here, which is kind of weird. I don't understand at all why this happened. It ain't even visible on the CME chart, so on the real what's it called? On the real futures charts. I don't know if I can find it. 13, 14, 14, 48. It's right here, as you can see. This is it. Higher low, higher low. But on this one, I don't know why it crashed down so much. Now the problem with this weird chart thing is that when I entered right here on TradingView, like I said, my like risk reward ratio and shit like that, okay, looks pretty fine. 1.43 risk reward is okay, right? Let me get into this trade. And then I went on my phone and I entered the trade. The entry on this chart, the stop loss that I should have put on my broker was way too low, right? On TradingView, this would have been a 1.43 risk to reward ratio. Why? Because I would have put my stop loss below the 1 minute fair value gap and it would have been fine, right? We would have still gotten stopped out, but like it's like that would have been a plan. If I would have put the stop loss of my broker below this low right here, you can see that my risk to reward would have gotten fucked up really badly, right? So it's 0.77, right? So when I realized this problem, I was like, okay, fuck, what do I do? I didn't do anything against it. Like I realized it way too late, and I just put my stop loss higher. Now, if I would have followed my plan, I guess, and put my stop loss below the actual low that I wanted to put it, which would have been right here, the trade would have been a W, but like the risk would have been way too bad. And yeah, I don't know. It's a weird situation, but I'm fine with it. Why? Because like my bias was right, as you can see right here. We still moved up. We took out the highs that I wanted to be taken out, and then we kind of like crashed. I don't know what the fuck happened right here. But yeah, that's basically it for today. What I also want to show you guys is the risk. Wait, let me share my screen so you guys can actually see it too. So as you can see, right after I entered, 0.07% is the, wait, I can just show you with the mouse. 0.07% is the risk. You can see that I actually took the trade. And yeah, that's basically it for today. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a, I don't know, leave everything, and bye bye.